Hey, so this is week 4 of shooting these weekly vlogs. And as you guys can tell, I'm still trying to find my footing in the direction and then really the purpose of this. I know that I established that I'm not satisfied in life. I'm trying to figure out how to be satisfied and how to be fulfilled. And I don't really know how to do that, but my plan is to document what I've been trying. And I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm having much success with that, but I'm going to keep going. So this week, one of my good buddies that I've known since 4th grade, which is a long time ago, he's coming out to pick me up, and we're going to go fishing. Now, he's been fishing for the last 10 years, and he does it every weekend, and really whatever chance he can get, he goes and he'll fish. And it's something that he really, really enjoys to do. So my goal today is to try to find out what it is about fishing that he loves so much. I've been fishing maybe 2 or 3 times in my life, and it's not something that I really feel like I need to do much more, but I'm willing to give it a shot. And I don't know, this thing's all about experiences and experiencing as many things as I can to gain some other perspectives on what makes people happy, I guess. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, I think he's here right now, so let's get going. Hey.
I'm gonna go to Newport. We got a bunch of stuff to do because my friends.
I'll see you later. I'll talk to you later.
All right. One more time. Say what's up to the Trent Tucker vlogs.
What up? Good luck fishing today. Tight line. Tight line.
Tight lines.
Where are we going today?
Let's go fishing.
All right.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Get you on your first fish.
I'm a fisherman, so.
We can try it.
I like the confidence, though, right?
Yeah. But for the most part, we're just out there to have fun.
All right. Fun.
Because usually I say that because I don't think we're gonna catch anything.
That's the story of my whole life. Never catching anything.
Just have fun.
So we finally made it out to the beach to do some fishing. This is the famous Balboa Pier. It's the one that has the rubies at the end of it. And a little cold, but still a nice day though. I think it's pretty cool. So why am I out on the pier fishing? It's a good question. I don't really know. All I know is that I haven't been fishing a lot in my life, and I think that's a fine idea to kind of go out there and try new things and to like expand your horizons, because you never really know what you're into, what you're passionate about, so you just try things. And I think in my pursuit to find what makes people happy and what gives them joy, it would just make sense to try the things that other people enjoy and bring them joy and happiness. So yeah, that's why I'm out here trying to figure that out.
This is called a Ceviche rig, or as your people say, Ceviche rig.
So what's this process called right here?
It's just doing your setting up the line.
Setting up the line.
So you don't need a fishing license to fish the pier,
Oh no.
just to fish the shores.
Why's that?
I don't know.
That's just a lot. You don't make them.
Fun.
Those are all hooks down there, or what?
Yeah, those are all hooks.
Each of these are hooks. Bring all this stuff. I missed the perfect cast, dude.
So what? That's how you're gonna do it.
Okay.
You're gonna let it swing.
Cast one already? Two.
Oh, they're all down there, dude. These little ones. Oh, this is sardine.
How often do you fish?
I try to come at least once a week somewhere, do something, de-stress,
Okay.
you know.
So what is it about fishing that brings you, that you enjoy so much?
I mean, it's not just like the fishing, but like, I mean, look.
What am I looking at?
It's the beautiful beach of Southern California, you know.
Yeah.
I live 40 minutes away, but people travel pretty far to get here.
Oh.
On the plus side. Have some fun. Catch some fish.
Would you say that fishing like makes you happy, gives you joy, or what? Gives you a rush?
Yeah, I mean it's a fun activity, you know. There's like so many different things you can do. You don't always have to just do the same thing over and over, man. You'll get lost in that loophole of fishing. But in the end, you know, it's fun. It makes you happy.
Yeah.
Makes me happy. Even the small things like this, catching
Yeah.
small little bait fish, you know, compared to bluefin tuna, it's still fun. You're gonna swing it like this. Look, you're down there. See?
Oh yeah.
One, two, and when you go like this, out, you let go. Alright, so what you're gonna do is open the bail,
Mm-hmm.
count to 3, 1, 2, and then cast it out. And you try.
Oh, you're telling me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, you filming this or what?
Yeah, hold it. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On this shit.
It happens.
It happened. Alright, so just doing this.
Yes, sir. Open the bail.
This is gonna go bad.
No. 1. Move it. 2. There you go. 3. And let it sink. Let it sink. Let it sink. All right, close the bill. There you go. And just hold it like that and kind of twitch it a little bit here and there.
Alright. I'm exhausted. We stayed at the pier until like midnight when it closed, and I'm ready to crash. But I just wanted to add some final thoughts about what I think I learned today. And it's going to be really, really simple, and something that really doesn't even need to be talked about, but I think I learned a little bit about empathy today. Well, I had a really good time fishing, and learning how to fish and catching a bunch of fish, because I'm obviously a natural. It was all really, really fun. But it's not something that I would pursue every week or even every month, because it's not really my thing. But what I really, really enjoyed was watching one of my good buddies do this activity that gives him so much joy, and watching him engage with it and just be so happy that he gets to be out here and fish. There's nothing monetary about it. There's nothing much to gain physically, but it's the act of it, the activity of it, that makes him happy. And observing somebody else be happy is really, really cool. And also, who are we to decide what is enjoyable or what brings joy to somebody else? Just because it's not for us doesn't mean it's not for somebody else. And I think there's a good lesson in there to learn about respecting what people enjoy, I guess. And yeah, I don't know. And I guess it's up to me to keep searching for the thing that brings me the most joy. And hopefully we'll get there. And if we don't, I'll see you every week until I do. Or forever, I guess. Alright, that's week 4. Catch you guys next week.